What's up YouTube? What's up guys? Today we are here again on the lemonade, and we get the engine in last night. It started. It throw a code, the P0011 code, saying the performance is too advanced, and P000A, that cylinder one, it's probably the solenoid, but so we're gonna try to diagnose that and see if it's just a solenoid or maybe some timing problem or whatever it is. We gotta get it diagnosed because we gotta make lemonade. We gotta make lemonade. You know what time it is. So what, stay tuned and let's diagnose this bad boy here and try to get it up and running. Yes, righty, let's get into it. Yeah, so yeah guys, we go out and we get a couple of sensors, camshaft correlation sensor, solenoid I should say. Yeah, the VTT solenoids. So now we're gonna want to take out the solenoid that we feel is bad, which would be the top one right here. Would be this top one right here. See, it is no good. No good,
bro. You see what I say about the wire?
no good. So yeah guys, as you can see, I just touch it and look, it's no good. It's break. It's no good. You see, as you can see, touch this one, it's okay. Touch this one firm. So now we don't have to like switch it around. All we gotta do is just try to change it first and see what happens.
If the issue moves over to bank 2, then you know, alright, it's a sensor or is a coil or whatever. It depends on how you try to diagnose. You understand? So like in a sensor, that's why I just said this, but you see we don't have to do that because first investigation, sensor broke. So nothing more than one way to do the engine swap, bro. This get caught somewhere or we hand touch it, because I'm kind of flimsy the way them design. I messed up design that. You know what I'm saying?
Look at that. Leave it that dirty. Look. Some nice you take care of things like true.
Don't you broke off, man. Jaja.
So this is the one we took out. So I touch it, see, it's no good. Now it break completely off in my hand. So yeah, this one was the one that throw the code. So we're hoping that once we replace it with one of the other ones that we have lying around, it will solve the problem. And if it solves the problem, then yeah, we make lemonade. So yeah guys, this is the solenoid that chose the code. You throw the code and then the codes, because it's two code, but it's for the same thing. So yeah, we replaced it.
shake violently. This shit ain't got no misfire right now. And this is a cold start. The engine not come up to temp yet. When the engine come up to temp, we run even smoother. So the port for the O2 sensor, I don't know if it's a bank one, sensor one would have been before the cat. Well that's supposed to be a cat. So well that the sensor come off of your car.
Yeah guys, so these brakes are really bad, so yeah, I got some brakes, this wheel, nice, that's nice light left in it. It's some faction fab I got on my CVT. I'm just gonna take them off and put them all around this one with some ceramic brakes, because this car has no brake. These wheels are so rusty, and I don't know where this thing was before I got it. It might have been in some salt or something, but yeah, we're gonna work on getting these brakes situated, and then we go for a test drive, because when we go for a test drive, you don't want to be test driving the car and then it can't stop, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna just go around, fix the brakes, as quickly as possible, and then go for a test drive. Alright, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned while we alright, so just stay tuned while we get the brakes done all around, and yeah, then we go for a test drive.
You know? Make sure you wrap up the road and put on the boat then. Spray the boat then. And spray the line then. Bro, wrap up the thing. Just spray the pot then. How can you spray them up and take them off?
You that day thing, I just remember some people that's doing that white.
As you can see before, guys, brake disc was so bad, the caliper was not so looking good. Now this wheel are changed all around, the calipers are painted all around. Yes sir, yes sir. So yeah guys, we are driving out to go test drive this bad boy. So far the car is good. There are no lights in the dash. You know, can be better though. The air intake, the turbo is spooling nice. The blow off valve is blowing off nice. And yeah, overall I would say right now with just this drive, I would say the car need a bit of suspension work. Yeah, a little bit of tune up, and then should be like, yeah, it should be like real lemonade. So yeah, we're gonna take nice little pull. You can hear bypass valve blowing off nice, car is spooling good. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. You know, you see how we diagnose the code. As I tell you, the sensor was what's causing the issue. Diagnose it. Car is running. Yeah, but no light now. So yeah, that's it for the video. Stay tuned for an upcoming video. Like, comment, shares, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and I'll see you until next time. Peace out. Catch up for you.